This is an ultrasonic radar. Today I will show you how to assemble and program this simulation ultrasonic radar kit step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry, just follow my steps carefully. I'll share the kit purchase link in the description. First, let's check all the components. This kit includes acrylic base plate, control board like Arduino Uno, extension board, 1.8-inch SPI TFT display module, ultrasonic sensor, SG90 servo motor, ultrasonic bracket, USB Type-C cable, some jumper wires, cable ties and screw, and all the necessary screws and nuts. So here all the parts are ready, let's start assembling. Step 1. Install copper pillars. To install we need acrylic base plate, M3x10 screws 4 pieces, M3x6 screws 4 pieces, M3x40 long copper columns 4 pieces, M3x10 short copper columns 4 pieces. First, install the copper pillar on the acrylic base plate. Install the long copper column on the top of the base using the M3x10 screws. And short copper columns using M3x6 screws. Remember, short copper columns matches with short screws. Step 2. Mount support frame. To mount we need 2 acrylic support frames, M3x10 screws 2 pieces, M3 nuts 2 pieces. Place the acrylic support into the base plate. Insert the M3 nuts into the correct holes. Insert screws and tighten carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the bracket. Step 3. Install control board and extension board. To install, we need control board, extension board, M3x6 screws 4 pieces. Place the control board on the copper pillar and secure it using M3x6 screws. Next, connect the extension board carefully. Match the analog pin sides before insert. Step 4. Install servo motor. To install, we need servo acrylic bracket, servo motor, M2x10 screw 2 pieces, M2 nuts 2 pieces, M3x10 screws 4 pieces. Fix the servo motor onto the servo bracket using M2 screws and nuts. Ensure the servo orientation is correct. Mount the servo bracket onto the copper pillar using M3x10 screws. This servo will rotate the ultrasonic sensor left and right. Step 5. Install ultrasonic sensor. Attach the ultrasonic sensor to the bracket using M1.6 screws and nuts. Ensure the ultrasonic eyes face forward. Attach the servo rocker arm and secure with self-tapping screws. Insert the bracket into the servo shaft and secure using the small servo screw. Step 6. Install TFT display module. To install, we need TFT display, acrylic bracket for the display, M3x10 screws 4 pieces, M3 nuts 4 pieces. Install the LCD display on the acrylic bracket. Make sure it is not upside down. Align holes properly and secure with screws and nuts. The display will show distance and system information. Step 7. Wiring. Carefully connect each wires according to the wire diagram. Connect servo to the digital pin 3. Make sure the wire connected in right orientation. Orange color wire should be with S. Now the ultrasonic sensor. VCC with V, which is 5 volt. Trigger with pin 6. Echo pin with pin 5. And the ground with G. Now let's connect the display. LED pin with 3.3 volt, SCK with pin 13, SDA with pin 11, A0 with pin 9, reset with pin 8, CS with pin 10, and ground with ground. Fix the display stand to complete the assembly. Step 9. Coding. Connect the control board with your computer and open Arduino IDE. You need to include two libraries before uploading the code. Open Sketch, then include library, then add GIP library. Select the library GIP file and open. Your library will be installed. Do the same process for the another library. Now open the simulation radar code. Select the correct board and port and upload. This is how you can assemble the ultrasonic radar step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any problem, comment below. I will help you. See you in the next project video.